In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report phishing emails in Microsoft Outlook. Phishing emails are messages that try to trick you into sharing personal or financial information or into clicking harmful links. The safest and most helpful response is not to reply, not to click anything, and to report the message so it can be analyzed and blocked in the future. I'll walk you through the simplest recommended method using Outlook's built-in report feature. Start by opening the suspicious email in Outlook. It's okay to preview it so you can access the reporting tools, but avoid clicking links, downloading attachments, or loading any external content. We're only opening it so we can use Outlook's reporting option. Next, look at the ribbon at the top of Outlook and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is where most of the main actions live. Find the button labeled Report. Depending on your screen size, you might see the full word, or it could appear in a condensed menu. If your window is narrow, try maximizing Outlook so the button is easier to spot. Click the Report button. A small menu will appear with different reporting choices. Select